Hello friends, welcome to this video. We have reviewed high-quality products in our channel's video. Hope you like it. Please subscribe to our channel. Number 1. Chef IQ Smart Wireless Meat Thermometer with 3 ultra-thin probes. Perfectly cook 3 foods at one time. This set of 3 thermometers takes away the guesswork with individual time and temperature tracking for 3 different foods at the same time. Quad sensors. Get maximum cooking accuracy from any angle with 3 internal and 1 ambient sensor. Audible and visual reminders. Hear reminders from the charging hub speaker as well as app notifications to ensure you don't miss a thing. Hours of use with minutes of charging. This indoor-outdoor thermometer is ready when you need it with 40+ hours of use from a 10-minute charge or charge for 1 minute and get hours of use.
Number 2. ThermoPro Lightning 1 Second Instant Read Meat Thermometer. 1 second lightning response time. With full readings in 1 second or less by thermocouple design, instant read thermometer is up to 200% quicker than the competition. Plus or minus 0.5 degrees Fahrenheit Pro accuracy. Digital thermometer for cooking features an improved accuracy spec of plus or minus 0.5 degrees Fahrenheit, or plus or minus 0.3 degrees Celsius, taking the guesswork out of your cooking. Custom calibration ensure the accuracy of meat probe last forever. 180 degrees rotating display, large 2 auto-rotating ambidextrous backlit display, making this kitchen thermometer the perfection solution for those awkward angles and left-hand users. Number 3. Alpha Grilla's Instant Read Meat Thermometer for grill and cooking. Instant Read Food Thermometer. Our Instant Read Thermometer features a temperature probe and advanced, highly accurate technology with 2 to 3 seconds response time. Instructions: 2 CR2 button battery, meat temperature chart, for hook and loop dots for storage, comes pre-calibrated for your convenience, and recalibrating feature if needed. Multi-use from barbecue thermometer to baking thermometer. Our digital food thermometer for cooking is perfect for meats, liquids, deep frying and candy making. Number 4. Instant Read Meat Thermometer for grill and cooking. Unfold the food thermometer and it starts to read immediately. If there's no operation, it'll auto-switch off after 10 minutes. The thermometer supports both Celsius, or degree C, and Fahrenheit, or degree F, display from minus 58 degrees Fahrenheit to 572 degrees Fahrenheit, or minus 50 degrees Celsius to 300 degrees Celsius, enabling to read either frozen ice cube or broiling steak. It also can lock the temp through the hold button, letting you see the temp closely. This food thermometer comes with a large backlight screen, enabling you to see the temp clearly whether in a poorly lighted kitchen or outdoors of too much light. The built-in magnet and large hanging hole make storing it a snap. What's more, the ergonomic handle offers a comfortable grip, letting you enjoy every step of cooking. Number 5. Lava Tools PX1D Javelin PRO Duo Ultra Fast Professional Digital Instant Read Meat Thermometer for grill and cooking, 4.5 probe. Ultra-fast 2-second readouts thanks to a proprietary high-performance Japanese temperature sensor, making Javelin PRO Duo one of the most popular cooking and grilling accessories out there. Superb accuracy of plus or minus 0.5 degrees Fahrenheit achievable by laboratory calibration. Javelin PRO Duo is an instrument-grade digital cooking thermometer designed to take the guesswork out of cooking. A large 180 degrees auto-rotating and motion-activated backlit display makes Javelin PRO Duo Instant Read Thermometer well-suited for glove wearers, awkward angles, and left-handed users.